Hello knitters, I'm Marina Revo, thanks for joining me. This video is about how to calculate and space increases evenly in circular knitting. I'll show how it works by presenting two cases. In each case, we will first calculate the number of stitches per section, and next we will distribute the sections evenly. You can use this algorithm for your knitting projects. Just put in your own starting and target stitch counts and follow the steps. This is case number 1. Our starting stitches are 70. The target stitches are 86. 86 minus 70 is 16. We have to make 16 increases. To calculate the increase intervals, we divide our starting 70 stitches by 16 increases, and we get 4.375 stitches. We cannot have such a number of stitches. We can have 4 stitches or 5 stitches. So we round it up to 4 stitches plus leftover stitches. Here is the summary of the calculations. Our starting stitches are 70. Our target stitch is 86. 86 minus 70 is 16. We have to make 16 increases. Next, we calculate the stitches between increases. Divide our starting 70 stitches by 16 increases, and we get 4.375 stitches. We round it up to 4 stitches plus leftover stitches. To calculate the leftover stitches, we multiply 4 stitches by 16 increases. We get 64 stitches, but our starting stitches are 70, so 70 minus 64 is 6. We have 6 leftover stitches. Now we spread out 6 leftover stitches over 16 increased sections. We'll have 6 sections with 5 stitches, 4 plus 1 from leftover, and remaining 10 sections with 4 stitches per section. The initial arrangement looks like this: 5 stitches per section 6 times, and 4 stitches per section 10 times. Now we redistribute 16 sections evenly. The minority of the sections are with 5 stitches, and the majority of the sections are with 4 stitches. To calculate the distribution ratio, we divide 16 total sections by 6 minority sections, and we get this odd number that we round up to 2.67. The whole number part 2 means that our base groups have 2 sections, which include one majority section with 4 stitches and one minority section with 5 stitches. And the decimal part, 0.67, means 67% of base groups with 2 sections plus an extra majority section. So 67% of 445 and 33% of 45. This is about 2 to 1, or 2 groups with 3 sections followed by 1 group with 2 sections. And we repeat this sequence of groups until all sections are used. So 2 groups with 3 sections followed by 1 group with 2 sections, and so on. This is how it looks on the sample. This is the round. This is the beginning of the round. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches, marker, 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches, marker, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches, marker, and so on. And here again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is case number 2. The starting stitches are 69. The target stitches are 90. 90 minus 69. We need to make 21 increases. To calculate the increase intervals, divide our starting 69 stitches by 21 increases, and we get 3.285 stitches. Again, there is no such number of stitches, it's either 3 stitches or 4 stitches, so we round it up to 3 stitches plus leftover stitches. Here is the summary of the calculations. The starting stitches were 69, the target stitches 90, 90 minus 69, we need to make 21 increases. To calculate the stitches between increases, we divide the starting stitches 69 by 21 increases. We get this odd number 3.285. We round it up to 3 stitches plus leftover stitches. To calculate the leftover stitches, we multiply these 3 stitches by 21 increases. We get 63 stitches, but our starting stitches were 69. 69 minus 63, 6 leftover stitches. And next we need to spread out 6 leftover stitches over our 21 increased sections by having 6 sections with 4 stitches per section, 3 plus 1 from leftover, and remaining 15 sections with 3 stitches. So the initial arrangement looks like 6 times 4 stitches and 15 times 3 stitches. Now we need to redistribute 21 sections evenly. We have the minority of sections with 4 stitches and the majority of sections with 3 stitches. To calculate the distribution ratio, we divide 21 total sections by 6 minority sections, the ones with 4 stitches, and we get 3.5. The whole number part 3 means that our base groups have 3 sections, which include 2 majority sections with 3 stitches and 1 minority section with 4 stitches, or it looks like 334. And the decimal part, 0.5, means that 50% of all groups are base group with 3 sections plus an extra majority section with 3 stitches. So it looks like 3334. In other words, 50% of our groups look like 3334, and another 50% 334. So the ratio is 1 to 1, or we alternate groups with 4 sections with groups with 3 sections. So we repeat alternating groups of 4 sections with groups of 3 sections until all sections are used. So on a sample, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And here again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and to support the channel. Happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next one.